Most people do not wreck their financial life with one huge movie villain mistake. It usually happens through tiny choices: waiting too long, investing randomly, paying sneaky fees, panic selling, and treating a brokerage account like a slot machine with Wi-Fi. Today, I'll show you how to rebuild from beginner level without a finance degree, a crystal ball, or a yacht named Tax Advantage. If you feel behind, relax. Your comeback does not require perfection. It requires a plan, consistency, and the courage to stop letting fear drive the bus. Fear is a terrible financial advisor. Loud, dramatic, and allergic to good timing. Quick note: for a deeper dive, check out the Wealth Basics, available on Amazon. Link is in the description. Here is the roadmap: 3 beginner mistakes and 1 simple rebuild plan. Mistake 1: investing before building stability. If you have no emergency fund, every market dip feels like a haunted house that accepts debit cards. First, tackle high-interest debt, build a cash cushion, and separate short-term money from long-term investing money. Mistake 2: confusing risk with recklessness. Risk is normal. Recklessness is putting rent money into a stock because your cousin said, "Trust me, bro." Your mix of investments should match your goals, timeline, and comfort with risk. Mistake 3: paying too much. Every dollar you do not lose to fees is a dollar that can keep working for you. Fees are like termites in a portfolio: small, quiet, and rude. Now let's talk compounding. Invest consistently, and your money can earn returns. Then those returns can earn returns. It is basically a financial potluck. Your dollars bring friends, and the friends bring casseroles. Beginners often think investing starts with picking the perfect stock. It actually starts with picking the right behavior. Disclaimer: this is for education and entertainment only, not financial, legal, or tax advice. Investing involves risk, including loss of principal. Consider your goals and speak with a certified financial advisor for a customized plan. Here is the rebuild plan. Define the goal: retirement, a house, education, freedom, or "I do not want future me eating noodles by candlelight." Then diversify, keep costs low, and automate contributions so your plan does not depend on motivation. Simple version: save first, invest regularly, diversify broadly, control costs, and stay disciplined. Do not panic click after one bad headline. And please do not build retirement around 6 rocket emojis from CryptoDragon 92. Rebuilding your financial life starts with stability, not stock picking. Smarter investing is not about being a genius. It is about building a system that protects you from expensive impulses. If this helped, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. For more, grab AI Meets Finance: Investing in the Age of Artificial Intelligence, available on Amazon. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.